Welcome to Scholler Bleckman Oilfield Equipment Vietnam Limited. The company was established in 2009. Its purpose is to provide global oilfield customers with a manufacturing solution in the Asia-Pacific region. In September 2009, we moved into a new, custom-built facility. This state-of-the-art facility spans 100,000 square feet. It is located in the province of Binh Duong, Vietnam, approximately 45 kilometers north of Ho Chi Minh City. In late 2013, we began an expansion to add another 100,000 square feet of production space, referred to as SBOE 2. In early 2024, we started another expansion, SBOE 3. This will also add over 100,000 square feet and is expected to complete by May 2025. The expansions allow us to offer globally competitive pricing. We are strategically located in the Asia-Pacific region. Additionally, we provide the assurances and experience of the global Scholler Bleckman Oilfield Equipment Group. We also hold API accreditations. Scholler Bleckman Oilfield Equipment Vietnam Limited is a high-precision manufacturer. We process high-alloy non-magnetic, high-corrosion-resistant steels. Our products include high-technology components for measurement while drilling, logging while drilling, and rotary steerable tools. One of SBVN's main strengths is the availability of special non-magnetic steel. This steel is supplied by SBOE in Austria. Our one-stop shop approach adds value and reduces risks for our clients. Our vision and foundation have remained solid due to several success factors. These include our valued employees, effective communication, adaptability, financial stability, quality, and technology. We also pride ourselves on high-performance products, on-time delivery, and compliance. We have an excellent reputation now in Vietnam and throughout the SBO group. We respect each other and honor our past and present. We recognize the need to adapt, innovate, and learn from past mistakes in each other. With our new capital expenditures, we aim to maintain and increase our market dominance in key product areas. Our goal is to continue providing our valued global oilfield customers with a manufacturing solution in the Asia-Pacific. Our forte is manufacturing high-complex parts. This enables us to offer globally competitive pricing. We are strategically located in the Asia-Pacific region and bring the experience of the global Scholler Bleckman Oilfield Equipment Group.